with my heart and my brain, the thoughts which I have to implement. But I always thought, that we have heard from the families, people that we have to do a job that is a security. But after coming here, I really understood that always an idea which is there is what you think is always bigger than the idea which has already been implemented somewhere else in the world. So just don't think that it's wrong. Your idea you should implement. It's always bigger. That's all.
Very good experience for this was a very good experience for me, and it helped to inspire me a lot. Thank you. This is Lavita here. It is amazing, ES Plus gives you a platform for everything that you are probably thinking of, that okay, this is probably what I want, and it gives you a platform for everything, whether be it in your career wise. I was so clear after whatever VSS Money, Mr. Money, whatever he spoke, after that I was so clear with it. I had so much of clarity in whatever I want to do. It was amazing to be a part of audience, to listen to such an experience. Thank you.
The experience was really wonderful. I think if we go with that yes attitude, we will translate it across the samne wala person also, and I think our job will be done. So if we are on the path, I think nothing can stop us.
I'm an entrepreneur who's a South Indian, who's a Tambram, and I always used to think only Marwadis and Gujaratis can do it. But meeting Mr. Money, I think even I can do it. Being a Tambram, I can also start a business and be an entrepreneur.
It was a very wonderful experience of knowledge sharing with Mr. Money. I got a lot of confusions about business, and not all of them, but some of them confusions have got solved. Got an insight about how to do business, and it was very good experience. I would like to thank Yes Plus and Guruji for this. Thanks.
When you start a business, you come upon small problems. Electricity, you have to drive. Water, you have to drive. Everywhere you have to drive. But what he told is that if you need shortcut, do din mein chahiye, so you're getting a part of the system. And when you get it for 2 years, you get that patience. You know that you're living for that passion. That's the main thing. And his main point was live your idea and be visualized.
I'm Rakesh. In my lifetime, I had many ideas, and I already started in many businesses. I started with something, I stopped, and I changed. Then I was confused what my problem was. It was I wanted to just be an entrepreneur. I wanted to follow my passion. After this session, I'm very sure about, and my ideas are very clear now.
थोड़े वहाँ पे गुरुजी का बैकग्राउंड चाहिए तो आप कैमरा वहाँ पे लगे
language Hindi
कुछ भी
we had a fantastic session with Mr. Money. Mr. Money. He spoke a lot on entrepreneurship and honesty, and how these two skills or qualities can merge together to become successful. Today, we see a lot of scams, scandals going around, a lot of money laundering. But still, out of this mess, how can we be clean and still come up and stand out with honesty on our side and still be successful and come into people's eyes? So personally, I am a budding entrepreneur. I've recently started my new venture, and I had a lot of doubts and queries about how the business will be. Will I be successful or not? A lot of things. But I think after attending this session, most of my questions have been answered, and I think I will definitely be successful today or tomorrow. Great.
You're coming for experience sharing?
An awesome presentation. He really spoke very well. The incidents in his life are something that is related to each and every common person, and it can be learnt by everybody. It was really a beautiful way of giving new direction if you're stuck, and if you're looking for a new direction, this is definitely a good way to begin. Thank you.
It was a really great experience and it was very inspiring. Like when I'd come for it, I was a bit apprehensive about it, but it was very inspiring and it really made you believe that if you really want to do something, you believe in it, then you can.
Great.
As today this money, from justdial.com, he's here to, make an experience with us. Secondly, I learned a lot from him and I just taken like new ideas. Secondly, we should give 100% for our work and, take some small idea to make this world, so big and fantastic. And the way he told us, the explanation he given about how his journey started and everything, it was like superb. Very nice. Thank you for this.
Today's session with Mr. Money has strengthened my belief that you don't need to be an Ambani's son to be able to make it big. From where I am, from my ideas, I can grow big and I can make it happen. Jai Guru.
I actually have no words for it. It was just awesome. Every second question that he answered, I mean, it was like all my questions were getting answered. It was just awesome.